affordable, stylish and trendy outfits. From thrift store to runway, fashionable outfit transformations. We will learn how to transform thrift shop clothes into fashionable outfits. In this exciting video, we take a journey from thrift store treasures to stunning runway fashion. Join us as we explore the art of outfit transformations, turning outdated or overlooked pieces into fashionable ensembles. Witness the magic of creativity and discover how anyone can elevate their style without breaking the bank. Get ready to be inspired. Trendy, stylish, affordable. You get whatever you want, just need a trendy eye. Outfit transformations. Runway-worthy outfits. Affordable style. Fashion inspiration. Visit nearest thrift shop and pick anything you feel like because it's gonna be transformed into an expensive branded dress. Welcome to From Thrift Store to. Have you ever wondered how to revamp your wardrobe without spending a fortune? Do you crave to create unique outfits that turn heads? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the secrets to transforming thrift store finds into stunning ensembles worthy of the runway. Follow along as we embark on a journey of fashion discovery and innovation. Welcome to our fashion revolution. From thrift store to runway, fashionable outfit transformations. In a world where trendy clothes often come with hefty price tags, we believe that fashion should be accessible to everyone. With a dash of creativity, anyone can turn overlooked or outdated pieces into stylish masterpieces. H3, visuals, close-up shots of thrift store racks, various clothing items, and people searching through the racks. Voiceover, step into any thrift store, and you'll find a treasure trove of hidden fashion gems waiting to be discovered. Many people overlook these stores, unaware of the possibilities that lie within their humble walls. But we're here to uncover the potential that thrift store fashion holds. Visuals, transition to a montage of people selecting items, trying them on, and creating outfits. Voiceover, the secret to a successful outfit transformation begins with an open mind and a keen eye for potential. By carefully selecting garments and accessories that speak to your personal style, you can start building the foundation for an incredible outfit. Visuals, DIY shots, sewing machines, cutting fabrics, repurposing accessories. Voiceover, but transforming thrift store finds into runway-worthy outfits often requires a bit of DIY magic. With basic sewing skills and a willingness to experiment, you can take a simple blouse and turn it into a fashionable crop top, or repurpose a drab dress into a trendy two-piece set. The possibilities are endless when you let your imagination run wild. Visuals, fashionable individuals strutting confidently in their revamped thrifted outfits. Voiceover, now, imagine yourself confidently strutting down the street, heads turning as your unique style catches everyone's attention. Embrace the thrill of knowing that your outfit not only looks amazing but also tells a powerful story of creativity and resourcefulness. Visuals, transition to runway shots, models showcasing their transformed thrifted outfits. Voiceover, but the journey doesn't end there. We'll take you from the streets to the runway, where our transformed thrifted outfits will shine. Witness the breathtaking beauty of these runway-worthy ensembles and marvel at the fact that style doesn't have to come with a high price tag. And that concludes our fashion journey from thrift store to runway. Fashionable outfit transformations. We hope you've been inspired to explore your local thrift stores, embrace your creativity, and turn ordinary clothing into extraordinary fashion statements. Remember, fashion is not just about wearing clothes, it's about expressing your unique self. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into the world of DIY accessories and show you how to accentuate your new outfits with handmade charm. Until next time, stay stylish.